So I need to come up with a plan that will modernize the space without having to replace the fixtures. In all honesty, I really don't have the money to rip out this bathroom and start from scratch.
The green is really polarizing. Like, lots of people tell me they love it, you gotta keep it, and then everybody else is saying it's gotta go, so I don't know, it's my vote, it's gotta go.
I have a plan to modernize this bathroom with some new fixtures from Better Baths. But first, I need to rip out this linoleum floor and get rid of that ugly vanity.
You can see the original tile that was underneath the floor, which is pretty cute. It's kind of a shame they covered it up.
The new floor looks great. After tearing out some of the green tile, I'm ready to cover up the old wallpaper with some wood slats. After the paint is dry, we're ready to install this beautiful new vanity. And now the bathroom look is really starting to come together. The bathroom renovation is complete, and it's so much fun to see how happy this green bathtub makes my 4-year-old. I was able to save myself some serious coin by mixing the vintage green with some new fixtures. Better Baths was able to source me some faucets for this modern vanity that matched the original retro vibe of the bathroom. The transformation is complete, and now we have a bright and happy family bathroom.